Still hiccuping.
It's okay, Matt. All we have to do is scare you. Boo! Anything?
Nope.
That's how I've always done it.
Try harder.
Ah!
Nope.
Your mother is dying.
What?
Your mother has stage 4 lung cancer. You should go home and be with her.
Dude, not cool.
You told me to scare him. That's what I'm doing.
Oh my god, spider!
Nope.
What? No. It was your mom's doctor. He says that she's going to die by the end of this sketch.
What?
Dude, if you're not gonna be helpful, then just stay out of it.
It's me, the ghost of your mama. You should have been with me instead of dealing with your hiccups.
I'm cured.